Hi pals, I do the Hong here from F.F.C.A in the Republic of Korea. Today, I want to make a thruster range of Flightline B-24 Liberator. Airplanes with this kind of two engines or more requires thrust alignment. I removed all propellers for the safety to a thrust alignment. I connect the battery. Can you hear the two sound of thrust alignment? This is the connected plan. This two is for the engine, and this two is the engine for the left wing and right wing. Look at the connect. Okay, this is the multi-connection. This is the power, and this two is for the motors. So I'll remove the connect this line, this two line, this one and that one is for the motors, and this is left wing motors, and I will make the thruster line for these motors. I'll take it out the connect from the multi-jack for the left wing, and this is for the right wing jack, and I take it out the one line for the motors, and I will connect here. And here, first up to the joystick to high like this, and connect the battery.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay,
Telemetry
get down the joystick. Alright, thrust alignment is set now. Look at these propellers. Alright, the first engine thrust is aligned. Now this is the BC line, so you must connect this line, the last one, and this line is for first. Okay, the first engine thrust alignment is finished, and the second one engine will go. Okay, the third engine finished, and I will alignment for the fourth engine. Okay, I'll take out this line for the fourth engine. This is the third engines. Okay, and connect here the jack. In the same method, connect the battery. This one first, and okay, so start joystick up, and second battery here.
Telemetry recovered. Telemetry
Okay,
lost.
get down the thrust minimum to minimum. Okay, the thrust range is arranged. Okay, good. Okay, the third engine is okay. force engine is thrust alignment is finished. Okay, the next. This is for the first engine. Engine number first. Okay. I'll connect the multi-jack here. And throttle high position for the thrust alignment, and connect this battery one first and this battery for second.
RF signal low.
Okay.
Telemetry recovered.
Get down. Okay. This is engine one. Throttle range, first engine. All right. Okay, and finally the
Telemetry
last
recovered.
engine we got. Okay, I changed the line here. This is for the second engine. Connect here. Okay.
Telemetry low.
Remove the battery. Right. And throttle high here.
Transmitter battery low.
And connect the battery first. And this battery here.
Transmitter battery low.
Connect.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, get down. All right. Okay, the final. This second engine is thrust alignment is finished. Okay, I will assemble all the lines now and check the thrust
Battery low.
now. Okay, remove the battery. One more, and
Battery low. Transmitter battery low.
disconnect the jack.
Transmitter battery low.
This is for the first engine here. Okay, and connect here, and the right wing. This is for the third engine here.
Transmitter battery low.
And connect
Transmitter battery low.
here. I'll mark the pan like this. This is a third engine. That is a fourth engine.
Transmitter
I lost
battery
the
low.
mark here. Okay, this is fourth engine.
Transmitter battery low.
Okay,
Transmitter battery low.
that is the fourth engine here.
Transmitter battery low.
Okay, connect this multi-jack for the right wing, and I will check
Transmitter
the
battery low.
thrust now. Connect this one, and
Transmitter battery low.
this one.
Transmitter battery low.
Okay. All right. All right. The thrust alignment is finished. Every engine start
Transmitter battery
simultaneously,
low.
and it means the more powerful takeoff and landing maneuver.
Transmitter battery low.
Okay, thanks for watching, and this thrust alignment video,
Telemetry
and
recovered. Transmitter
see you
battery
next
low.
flight.